Okay, so I'm gonna be unboxing Poison Serpents. So, oh wait. Okay, so this is the ripcord. These are the stickers. This is the instruction manual. The face bolt. The fusion reel. I mean the energy ring. This is the fusion reel or metal reel. It's poison. It's really cool. This is its spin track, attack and defense, and this is its tip. This is its tool launcher code. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting it together. I have to take off this first. Usually in the other video it's so hard, but now they open out little. I like collecting some. Okay, I took out the face bolts. I'll put on stickers later, but not right now in this video. Taking off this. Wait. Checking the modes. If they are. So I guess there's no, doesn't tell the modes, but it's, I think they're defense and stamina, so I'm gonna put it in. Oh, this is really annoying. Okay. So this is Poison Serpent. Poison Serpent SW145 SD. Okay, thanks, bye.